Today we're unboxing the Nature's Generator 400 watt folding solar panel. As soon as we open the box, you'll see a storage bag with a built-in handle. Once everything is opened up, you'll find 3 steel stands, the user manual, 3 ground stakes, the junction box, an MC4 connector, and a carrying handle with spring clips. Next, unfold the stands and adjust the angle by clipping them into different positions. Now, place all 3 stands into position. Unfold the solar panel and set it on top of the stands. And that's it! The solar panel is set up and ready to go. For more videos, make sure to follow at Nature's Generator. Thanks for watching!